My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to share with you a simple spiritual truth. And that is that unconditional love is the foundation of the reality that we live in. It is important to understand that the divine consciousness is what you and I arise out of, that our consciousness and that divine consciousness are connected, and that the divine is unconditionally loving, not transactional, not loving us if we love the divine, not jealous or petty, but unconditionally loving. And from that arises the reality that we live in, unconditional love. It is a simple truth, but a powerful, powerful foundation. All things are created from positivity and love. The absence of love is the foundation for negativity. Simple, but true. Embrace love. Thank you for allowing me to share.